Hello everyone, my name is Bita Amiri and I'm excited to share my research on developing environmental friendly pigments with tunable colors. This project explores how we can create new types of pigments. Those are the colorants we use in the paints, plastics, and many other products, while staying mindful of the performance and safety, both performance and the safety. Why pigments matter? Let me start with this introduction. Pigments are ingredients that give color to everyday item like paint, ink, printing inks, and even cosmetic products. Traditional inorganic pigments may contain some toxic metals which can harm the environment if they are not handled properly. So our goal in this project is to design pigments that are both colorful and safer for the environment. Uh, the pigments that we are focusing on are based on tellurate compounds called lanthanum chromium tellurate, LaCrTeO6. The main idea is to swap out some chromium Cr in the compounds and replace with the iron Fe. And why is that? Because chromium tends to produce bluish green color, and iron can shift the color toward pale pink color. So by varying how much chromium or iron and the pigments in the pigment structure, we can shift between greenish blue to pale pink, creating a broad color range. This strategy can reduce the need for toxic metal while giving manufacture more versatile color choices. So let me share briefly how we made and studied these pigments. We start with the powder of safe, relatively common oxide like chromium oxide, iron oxide, and tellurium oxide, and also lanthanum oxide. We carefully heat and mix this material so atoms can form new structure for the pigments. Then we can measure the color and the structure using XRD and DRS. What is XRD? XRD shows us how the atoms are arranged. Think of it as a fingerprint of their any structure, and can tell us if new compounds form correctly. And also DRS is diffuse reflectance spectroscopy. Is a fancy way to shining light to the pigments and measuring the reflected light to figure the colors out and the energy absorption of the pigments. And also we did some scanning electron microscopy that helps us to see particle sizes and shape, and which can affect how color appears to our eyes. So in summary, I want to say that lanthanum chromium iron tellurate pigments provide a new palette of non-toxic vibrant colors. This research is a step toward greener chemistry in the pigment sector, helping industries and consumers benefit from safer, more sustainable produces. And we have some references here that I mentioned in my poster and presentation. Thank you so much.